Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Wish I'd Known video. Today we're going to talk about how hard is it to keep an RV clean. It can be tough. There's a few things you can do. Number one is you can get like paint and fabric treatment. You can get like a ceramic coating put on your RV. How do they help? It just helps keep the black streaks from getting into any kind of paint on your unit, right, or into the fiberglass. But it makes it wipe off a whole lot easier. If you're getting trouble with black streaks, you're getting trouble with road grime, things like that, diesel exhaust, really the easiest thing to use is Dawn dishwashing soap. Put it in a bucket of very hot water. Use a really soft bristled brush. Scrub your unit down. Spray any really tough areas with a mixture of it. Let it soak for a few minutes. Again, scrub it. Make sure you rinse it really good with a hose and fresh water, and that should take care of most of your issues. If you have some really hard trouble issues, go online, check it out. One thing that people use is awesome, but be careful with it. You know, don't leave it for too long. Make sure you scrub the area good, that sort of thing. But the best thing is really get a good ceramic coating on it or paint and fabric, and then use Dawn dish soap with extremely hot water and a soft bristled brush. Make sure you also wash the roof if it's at all possible for you, if you have the ability to get up there. If you don't, go to your local RV dealer, ask them to do it for you. If you have any questions about this, give us a call at 877-4494. Make sure you're following us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube for more videos like this.